Mix these ingredients and you'll create your new everyday favorite. Add Nivea cream, turmeric, and honey to a bowl. Then add a little vitamin C. Mix well. Apply the mask in an even layer. Rinse it off after 10 minutes. This mask has a brightening effect, evens out your skin tone, and makes your skin look more youthful. Erases all facial wrinkles like a magic eraser. Everything you need is already in your kitchen. Grab a large mug. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Cocoa contains powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals responsible for skin aging. It also brightens the skin and improves microcirculation. Now add 4 tablespoons of glycerin. These proportions are really important, so watch closely. Glycerin is a natural humectant that attracts moisture like a magnet. It deeply hydrates, smooths, and softens the skin. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a thick paste. Apply the finished mask to your face, neck, and hands. Use gentle, circular motions. This further stimulates circulation, which helps smooth out wrinkles. Leave the mask on for half an hour. It's the perfect evening ritual. After that, rinse it off with warm water. The more often you use this mixture, the faster you'll see results. Your skin will be smooth, firm, and radiant. Wrinkles will disappear. It's a natural way to look younger, without expensive cosmetics or treatments. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes. Put this on a lemon, combine these ingredients, and the results will surprise you. Take a medium-sized glass bowl. Add a whole egg to the bowl. Also, add 2 tablespoons of coffee, preferably instant coffee. Take a lemon and place your hand flat on it, then start rolling it back and forth. This method will help you squeeze out more juice easily. Next, cut the lemon in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2 directly into the bowl. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, has brightening properties. Mix everything well with a spoon. If the mixture is too runny, add another small spoon of coffee. Stir again until you get a smooth consistency. Apply this mask to your face or hands for 15 minutes before bed. This natural blend acts like Botox, reducing wrinkles and discoloration. After 15 minutes, wash off the mask with warm water. It will help you maintain a youthful appearance. Be sure to try it.
Natural mask that removes blackheads and pimples. Preparation takes only 5 minutes. Prepare 4 aspirin tablets. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which helps fight acne. It exfoliates and softens the skin. Lay out a piece of plastic wrap on a board, then place the tablets on it and cover with another layer of plastic wrap. Using a hammer, crush the tablets into powder. This will help them dissolve faster. Transfer the powder to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt. It is rich in vitamin B and proteins, soothing irritations, and promoting skin regeneration. Like a soothing dressing, it helps reduce redness and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together. Honey is an antioxidant that blocks free radicals, helping to maintain youthful skin. Finally, add almond oil. It gently moisturizes the skin without leaving a greasy layer. This oil effectively rebuilds the skin's hydrolipidic barrier. Thoroughly mix the mask to achieve a uniform consistency. It takes literally 5 minutes to prepare, and its effects are wonderful. Apply the mask to the face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes. During this time, the ingredients will penetrate the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging. Aspirin helps remove dead skin cells. Blackheads and pimples won't stand a chance.
Combine aloe with honey and discover the secret to younger-looking skin without spending a fortune. This natural treatment makes me look 10 years younger. It's a simple DIY method you can prepare in just minutes, and the results will surprise you more than any expensive store-bought cream. Add aloe gel to a small bowl. Aloe deeply hydrates, soothes, regenerates, and slows down skin aging. Next, add half a shot glass of honey, preferably linden honey, which nourishes the skin and has antibacterial properties. Then add half a tablespoon of turmeric, which brightens discoloration and gives the skin a radiant glow, leaving it fresh and luminous. Mix everything well into a smooth, even paste. Apply the mask to your hands, face, or any areas that need hydration, regeneration, and rejuvenation. The skin becomes soft and smooth. It's a natural mask for discoloration and dull skin. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and enjoy results that feel like a professional treatment without leaving home. I rub this into my hair before every wash, and my hair is strong and shiny as if I had an expensive salon treatment. No more hair loss. This homemade mask is all you need. To prepare it, take 1 ripe avocado. Avocado deeply moisturizes, nourishes, and rebuilds the hair structure. Cut it in half, twist, remove the pit with a knife, score the flesh, and scoop it out with a spoon into a bowl. The next ingredient is olive oil. It regenerates, strengthens the roots, and adds a beautiful shine. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also add a little honey for softness and elasticity. Mash and mix everything until smooth and creamy. Your natural mask is ready. Apply it from roots to ends. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Then wash your hair as usual. The result: hair that's nourished, smooth, shiny, and silky, soft. Just like after a professional salon treatment. With regular use, it becomes stronger, and you won't be picking up strands from the floor or your brush anymore. Massage this into your face, and you'll cancel all your beauty appointments. This method costs almost nothing and contains no chemicals at all. Take 1 banana and peel it. Eat the fruit, it's good for you, and cut the peel into smaller pieces. Banana peel is a true natural antioxidant. It has anti-wrinkle and brightening properties. Put the chopped peel into a blender. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. It's another ingredient that makes your skin silky smooth and refreshed. It soothes and gently tightens the skin. Then pour in 1 cup of water to give the mixture a more fluid, creamy consistency. Blend everything until smooth and uniform. Pour the finished mask into a clean, preferably airtight container. Apply the mask to your face, neck, or hands using gentle circular motions. Leave it on for 20 minutes. For best results, use it regularly. This is a truly simple and natural method worth trying if you want to care for your skin in the comfort of your own home.